Hi, Molly. We need you to help us decide something.
What may I help you with? When do you think it's time to start decorating for Christmas? That's easy, right after Halloween?
See, I told you.
That's because it's Molly's favorite holiday, silly. You're not wrong. Let's ask Candace. Hey Candace, when do you think it's time to start decorating for Christmas? Do you wait until Thanksgiving?
That reminds me, the turkey. Looks like I burnt the turkey.
Can we get a new one?
That's a great idea. Hey, Jordan? Yeah? Could you and Lucas go get another turkey? I guess so. Great, now that's settled. I can continue cooking. Hey, Joss, can you and Aaron help get the table from the garage? Sure.
Looks like the mashed potatoes are ready.
Just set them on the table.
People coming through. Everyone, dinner's ready.
Where's the turkey? There wasn't any turkey or chicken, so we stopped by at the Chick-fil-A across the street.
Chick-fil-A's closed today. We have our ways.
How are we meant to have Thanksgiving dinner without a turkey?
We should be thankful for what we have.
Why don't we say what we're thankful for? I'm thankful for family.
I'm thankful that I get to spend every day with you guys. I'm thankful for food. Can we eat now?
Sure.